here's my baby. Here's the remote. And, yeah, he's pretty little.
Hey, Sai.
Hey, look at Dad. Yay, bath time. And Cyrus is in his fancy little stroller here. Can you say hi? We're just happy he's in a good mood. Hi. Hi. You gonna talk, Cyrus?
You talk? Come on, let's see you talk a little.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, just swing those fists. You'll be a prize fighter. Yes.
Hi. Cyrus is almost 7 months old. He has his first 2 baby teeth, the bottom, front. Oh yes, you do. So exciting. Are you waving? And he is playing in his little saucer thing that he can stand up in or jump on. And lots of stuff for him to play with.
Hey, Sai. Good job. You're holding yourself up. Your knees are ticklish.
First birthday, he finished his whole cupcake. Was that good?
Well, not the whole thing, but okay.
Yeah, I did. Well, whatever's not in his seat.
You're done.
And there's Netta.
Yes, hi.
And Dada.
Hi. And Lane. And Grandma.
And Mom. Yay!
Another Grandma.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Almost.
Not yet.
It's exhausting.
Yeah. Oh. Good thing Grandma was there.
Yeah.
Yeah. You get up?
Cyrus is 12 months and he's learning how to walk by himself. It is very funny. Come on back. You said it. Bye. Bye. Say it again. Can you say it again? Bye-bye. Yay! Good job. Bubbles. Do it again. Can you catch one? Oh, you tried. Give Dad 5.
Another one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you
Go
give
5? Yeah. All right. Good job.
Yay! That snow's kind of hard, isn't it? It's more like ice now. Hey, that's a soft landing, isn't it? Hey, look at you with your tower. And put the water back on top. Yay! It's so exciting. This is our view. It's a very nice day, about in the 70s or so. Dad and Cyrus are burning off some energy. It's the 4th of July, 2011. Were you trying to get the cat to talk on the phone? You kissed the kitty again. That was so sweet. The kitty going night-night. She's patient. Cyrus, leave the kitty alone. Oh, I'm recording. Oh. Yeah. Look at your cool bandana on your horse.
Whoa!
So you have you now. Okay, pull the leg. Pull it back. Pull it. There you go. Yay! You got it off the stool. Alright, now what?
Whoa!
That was smart to get it so far away.
Watch out!
You're supposed to chase him in the chair.
It was October 2nd, 2011, and Cyrus is almost 21 months old, and he's helping Mom water. He's gotten the garden pretty well. He's gotten himself. He's gotten me. I guess now it's time for the grass. And back to the garden. He's very good. He's a good helper. Aww, look at you. A boy and his dog. And his cat.
Mama!
Hi, can you go play with Angus? He's so patient with you. Uh-oh. Can you stand up? Okay. Okay. That's all. Cyrus is riding a horse. He's 20 months old, and it is September 2011 at the petting zoo. He's really good. And Ned is over there with him. Cyrus has to lay down to get inside Dad's big boots here. Are you trying to walk? You need, oh, grab Dad's hand too. Grab Dad's hand. Alright, you're trying. Whoa, they're pretty tangled. Maybe we'll sit down.
Yeah.
And we'll lay down. Good job. Those are pretty big, huh? Dad's home. Dad's home. Dad's home. Dad's home. Dad's home. Help? You can do it. Do a trick. Whoa. Cool. Will you show us your skateboard? Whoa. That looks super tricky. Cyrus is almost 22 months old. And he loves skateboards because that's what his big brother does. And his little skateboard's really his little xylophone, as you can see. But it has wheels. What are you doing? Can you turn in circles again? Oh, you can. Yay! Where's your head? Yay! Where's your belly button? Yeah! Can you give me a 5? Yeah! Can you... What are you doing? Playing hide and go seek? Oh, Mama's belly button? Can you go give Dad a high 5?
Yeah! Wow!
Woo! Mama too? Yeah! Lane! Woo! Can you say Grandpa? Say Grandpa. Yay! Can you say Grandma? Yeah. How about Neda? Can you say Neda? Very good! Now we got all the grandparents covered. Cyrus is wound up. And he's 21 months old. It's October 2011. Okay, Cyrus and I just made Halloween cookies. And as you can tell, he enjoyed the flour. The flour, that's right. And the rolling pin. We're totally done, by the way. We aren't going to... Are you loud? Hi. We're not going to be reusing these things, but I just thought that I would capture our first cookie making class. And here are, oops, some of the cutouts we made. The rest are in the oven. Okay. Hi. Thanksgiving morning. Cyrus is helping me make some crescent rolls. He's been helping roll out the dough and push flour around. As you can see, he's pushed it onto his face. Hi. Onto his shirt, the chair, yeah, on your shirt, and yep, and onto the floor, just like that. Okay. Okay, stop, sweetie. Hey, can you show me how you can roll? Roll that dough. Yeah, and his hands are clean. Clean. There you go. Yeah, it's on the dough. Dough, that's right. Cyrus is 22 months old. I'm very strong.